Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of percussion with a closer look at the Handpan drum steel adult handpan in D minor. This isn't just an instrument, it's a handcrafted masterpiece designed to bring beautiful music to musicians of all levels. Right off the bat, one notices the incredible craftsmanship. This handpan is the result of years of dedicated handcrafting, reflecting a perfect blend of traditional techniques and modern innovation. Each one is pure hand-forged and meticulously tuned by professional tuners, ensuring that every note resonates with clarity and harmony. It truly feels like an achievement in musical instrument making. The materials used are top-notch. Constructed from high-quality steel, this handpan drum is built to be durable and long-lasting, promising years of musical enjoyment. Its sleek silver finish also makes it a beautiful work of art, not just an instrument. What truly sets this handpan apart is its 12-note design in D minor. It includes a comprehensive range of notes: D3, A3, BB3, C4, D4, E4, F4, G4, A4, C5, D5, and F5. This extensive scale provides a rich palette for musical exploration, whether you're a beginner just starting your journey or a seasoned professional looking to expand your sound. This particular model is tuned to 440 Hz. For those wondering about the significance, 440 Hz is the standard tuning frequency for most musical instruments. This means it's perfectly suited for playing alongside other instruments, making it ideal for band settings, jam sessions, or simply accompanying your favorite pop music and songs. It integrates seamlessly into any musical ensemble. Weighing in at a substantial 8,000 grams, this handpan feels robust and premium. Despite its solid build, it's designed for practicality. It comes with a comprehensive packing list that truly enhances the user experience. You get a durable drum storage bag for easy transport and protection, a pair of drumsticks for varied playing techniques, and a sturdy bracket, a hand drum stand, which is incredibly convenient for practice and performance. Additionally, a cleaning cloth, braided rope, and a sound sticker are included, showing attention to detail. Whether you're searching for a unique gift, a new instrument for personal exploration, or a professional percussion instrument, this handpan drum offers an exceptional musical experience. It's an affordable yet high-quality option that delivers on its promise of beautiful sound and lasting durability. This handpan is truly a gateway to creating captivating melodies and rhythms.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.